What's going on, good people? How you doing? My name is Dr. Sami Baya. Please welcome back to my channel. Make a narcissist fear you. That is the title of today's episode. Making a narcissist fear you is about getting the narcissist to respect your boundaries. Once you realize that a narcissist is pushing you around, you need to learn how to defend yourself. Now, with the right strategies and actions, you can frighten a narcissist away. You can scare a narcissist and enforce boundaries. So setting firm boundaries with a narcissist will result in the narcissist leaving you alone. Many times, it is not so much about having a narcissist to fear you, because it is mainly about having the narcissist respect your boundaries. So narcissists naturally hate boundaries. They depend on other people having non-existent boundaries so that they can get their needs met through manipulation. So when you set firm boundaries with a narcissist, it will result in the narcissist leaving you alone or respecting your rules of engagement. So if the narcissist stops engaging with you, then be prepared to be smear campaigned. All right. They will portray you as a villain. This is one of the tools that the narcissists love using to get flying monkeys, to get friends who will help them in disliking you and disliking your boundaries. So, with a narcissist, avoid getting yourself tangled up in their web of lies, in their web of control tactics, and simply do one thing: ignore them. When you ignore the narcissist, sometimes they become obsessed with you, but that's not a problem. When they get obsessed with you, block them from your phone, block them from your emails, and block them on all your social media networks. So, let me give you some of the things that a narcissist is afraid of. A narcissist is afraid of losing control, rejection, humiliation, and embarrassment, being exposed, not being admired, feeling remorse, not being the center of attention, failure, responsibility. So, if you want to make a narcissist fear you, then detach from them. Narcissists are terrified of being alone, and their greatest fear is abandonment. So, when you set clear boundaries, or when you don't react to the narcissist manipulation tactics, it will make them to become afraid of losing you, even though they may never admit it. An angered or distressed narcissist can react with anger and hostility. So another way of making the narcissist fear you is to withhold emotional reactions and to break the trauma bond. Narcissists love using intermittent reinforcement. You know, playing hot and cold. By being wonderful for some time, then they become the worst nightmare. They become monsters. They become horrible from nowhere. This creates a psychological hook for the narcissist. So, you can break this trauma bond by ignoring the narcissist or going full no contact. And if that is not possible, then you can go grey rock in your conversations with them, right? Don't show them much emotion whenever you engage with them, whether they are wonderful or horrible. It will make the narcissist see that you no longer are controlled by them. Your emotions are oxygen to the narcissist's fire. So make sure you are as neutral as possible. All right. The narcissist wants a reaction from you. They'll provoke your emotions because you're more vulnerable to manipulation when you are upset. So when the narcissist provokes your emotions, don't get upset. Don't react. Another way of making the narcissist fear is to criticize them publicly. Narcissists want to be seen as being perfect. They don't want their flaws, their shortcomings to be seen. All right? They hate criticism passionately. At the workplace, the narcissist may deny you an opportunity to take credit for your accomplishments, right? In family relationships, it will mean calling someone out on their lies at a family gathering, or blast them with evidence of their misdeeds, all right? in those kind of setups. Now, another way of making a narcissist fear you is to call them out on their behavior in front of everyone. A narcissist has feelings, all right, and they can feel emotions and react to them in a certain way, in a big way. So most narcissists are all about themselves because they actually are insecure and they have fears of what others think of them. So the best way to confront a narcissist is to call them out on their behavior in front of everyone. All right, that way they'll fear you. Use your reality as a weapon. Use reality as a weapon. Confront the narcissist with statements of facts, because narcissists fear being discovered for who they really are, and who they are is an image that they may only project to their targets. But you can get out of their bullseye by using less emotion and more facts. Narcissists want to twist reality and to suit their purposes. So slap them out of those delusions with cold, hard facts whenever possible. Tell them that their actions produce bad results, or document their failure to keep promises. So as long as you keep conversations with the narcissist reality-based, the narcissist could back off because you have become someone who won't go along with the lies and their nonsense. Another way of making a narcissist fear you is to seek supportive allies. Get a strong support system of friends, family, co-workers. All right. So when you maintain these kind of relationships with friends, family, and co-workers, you weaken the narcissist's ability to mold your reality. All right. Then do not argue after saying no with a narcissist. No is a word that a narcissist they hate that word. So when you say no, don't argue with the narcissist. They will fear you for that. So with a narcissist, if you want to make them fear you, make them be accountable. They hate accountability for their actions. For the narcissist, everything is always someone else's responsibility. Unless there's some praise to be done for a job well done, then so the narcissist will not be accountable. You're not responsible for the narcissist's choices. All right. So a narcissist will fear you if you gain the ability to impose consequences for unwanted behavior. Never let the narcissist change the subject. That's another way to make the narcissist fear you. Okay. Don't allow the narcissist to control the subject of the conversation. Ignore all attempts to change the subject. All right. Make the narcissist wait for your answer. Narcissists always want instant gratification because it makes them feel that they are in control. So a good way to make the narcissist in your life discomfort or uncomfortable is to employ delay tactics. When the narcissist wants a request, just tell them, I'll let you know tomorrow, or I'm not sure, or I'll get back to you with an answer later. This tactic lets you keep the ball in your court. The narcissist will fear you for this. Thank you for watching this video. Now, if you love it, you've learned something from this video, please say it in the comment section of this video. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell as well. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get notified about it. Knowledge is power, information is power, and learning is a superpower. So please share this video as widely as possible to all those who may need it. Word has it out there that Dr. Sammy Bayer YouTube channel is among the top channels as far as narcissistic relationship content is concerned. So please spread the word out there. Share these videos out there. Let's grow together. Let's create awareness about narcissistic abuse, narcissism, narcissistic personality disorder. Okay? Subscribe. Catch you later in the next video. God bless you.